With the recent launch of Miui 12 by Xiaomi, it comes bundled with lots of new features, and I believe by now you must have already watched quite a lot of videos about it. One of the most anticipating features that I personally love the most are the Super Live Wallpapers, and trust me, being able to experience it in person is just mind-blowing. So hey guys, AP here. You're watching TecknoKing, and once again I'm back with a new video, and today I will be showing you that how you can install Miui 12 Super Live Wallpapers manually on your device. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let me show you that I am on the latest build of Miui 11 for my device. The steps are very simple. You just need to download Super Wallpapers zip file and Google Wallpapers app from Play Store, and as always the links will be given in the description box below. After downloading the zip file, unzip it using any file explorer. In my case, I am using Miui's stock file manager app. After extracting, simply install all the apps and now we're good to go. Now open Google Wallpapers app and then go to Live Wallpaper section and choose the Super Live Wallpapers you just installed. Then click on Set as Wallpapers on both home and lock screen. If you are on any other ROM, then most probably the wallpapers will work beautifully on your device. But since I am on Miui, so you can see that my wallpapers aren't properly working and it's not showing on lock screen either. So in order to fix this, you just need to set any video as video wallpaper and then again go to Google Wallpaper app and reapply Super Live Wallpapers both on home and lock screen as well. So guys, that was all about it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you are still watching, then make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and for more stuff like this, make sure to stay subscribed to my channel and also hit the notification bell next to it. Till that, it's AP signing off. Thanks for watching, take care, and I hope to see you guys very soon.